So why empowerment? Well, as we have shown, an empowered team is a more effective and efficient one. Let's take a moment to consider what happens when things don't work out. Perhaps the extra responsibility you've delegated has proven too much for an individual. Or perhaps there's someone on the team now who's already carrying too much responsibility. Essentially, the process is the same as that you used in empowerment, in that you need to try and understand your people in the first place, their strengths, their limitations, and their potential, and whether those factors have best been applied in any given context. You may be able to fix the situation quickly by spreading some of an individual's burden of responsibility, or maybe by identifying a training or skills gap. But whatever you do, you need to retain the trust and respect of the individual and the team. So tread carefully and act sensitively, but do act. To do nothing will only make things worse later on, and makes it more likely you'll lose the respect and trust of the individual, the team, or at worst, both. So, in this tutorial we've considered the concept of empowerment and what that means in fundamental terms. I've tried to illustrate empowerment as a real-world activity rather than just a theoretical concept by using a simple example. We've explored some of the tools leadership and management practitioners can use to empower their people, and thus to attain the goal of an enhanced outcome.